How to verify your identity on Freelancer. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Freelancer. So in order to verify your identity on Freelancer, all you need to do is watch this video till the end, follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, log in into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, click the profile icon located in the top right hand side corner. From the drop down menu, go to settings. As you click on settings, it's going to take you to your settings page where you can see your profile details and all sort of things. Now head over to your left hand side corner and you'll be able to find trust and verification. So as you can see, in order to begin with the verification process, you'll have to go through 1 out of 4 steps. First of all, make sure that your email address and a phone number is completely verified, and then you can begin with the verification of ID. So click on verify ID in order to proceed on to the next step. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page where you'll be able to see all of these information. So here they're provided with the guidelines on what documents and what type of information are to be provided. So go through it before you begin with the verification, and once you've completely gone through the statement, click on verify my identity. Now begin with the verification process. Now you can continue the procedure. So that's basically you can verify your identity on Freelancer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.